I'm in my wife's new Cadillac, and we need to mount the ezpass, and I want to put it right up here. She's been trying to hold it over the dashboard and then just tuck it into the dash, but it hasn't been reading, so we really need to get this thing mounted. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first of all, you'll really want to have it mounted like this, and you want to be able to read it. Don't do it sideways or upside down. You want it just like this. And the best place to put it is either right here. You want to be below all of these black dots because that can actually interfere with the tag that's in it. You could also put it down here, but I think that would be in her way of vision. So we're going to mount it right up here. Now, in order to mount it, we're going to be using these Scotch fasteners, and I'm going to recommend the extremely strong type. I'll put a link in the description, and these are what are going to hold it onto the glass. This will also be a nice kit because you can actually pull this off of the window and move it to another car if you'd like to. Now, the best way to mount this is to actually put the Velcro on the back side, both pieces. That way you don't have to worry about placing it on the glass. You'll have both pieces right on there. Now, my transponder already has two pieces of this adhesive on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut two pieces that fit on these. So I will just press a piece of this tape on, get it to lock, and then using a pen, I'm just going to mark, try to make a little mark on here where I want to cut it. And I'll tear that off. We'll cut this little piece off. And we'll just do another one. Pull that off. And cut. All right. Now we will stick these on. Press them on real good. All right, now that we've got both pieces on our transponder, we'll pull off the adhesive backing. And now we want to put this on our window. Now remember, you want to put it facing up so it's kind of readable. And then we want to make sure it's underneath that grid. So if we mount it right there, we should get a good reading. Now, if you're going to leave it in your car, you're all done. But if you did want to move this transponder to a different vehicle, you can just very gently peel it off. These adhesive layers will stay on the glass for the next time you want to put it back in your car. And just push it on. There you go. Now you're all set for the ezpass in your state. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.